Do you have those little black triangles in between your teeth like this, or like this? You're not alone, and today I'm going to explain why you get them and 3 proven techniques to fix it. The first reason is simple, it's the shape of your teeth. Now some people have more square-shaped teeth while other people have more trapezoidal or triangular-shaped teeth. If you have triangular-shaped teeth, when the teeth come together, they're going to kind of hit at the top and leave this little black triangle portion at the bottom that is very difficult to restore. The second, more devious way is if you have gum or bone loss. When you have gum or bone loss, essentially the gum is moving away from the teeth, thus creating some space in between the gums and the top of the teeth, which could result in a black triangle. All right, you know how you got those black triangles, but how do we fix them? Option 1, bonding or veneers. Now this option is great if you already don't like the color of your teeth or the shape of your teeth, or maybe if there's some fractures in your teeth. This option puts some glue or some ceramic on your teeth to change the shape of your teeth and fill in those gaps where those black triangles were. Now you have to be careful while you put them in. This is way easier to do on the top teeth than the bottom teeth, and they have a tendency potentially to have a plaque trap and catch that calculus, making it difficult to clean. But who doesn't love a good, nice looking veneer smile? Gum grafts are typically done by periodontists, and they will take some graft from either the roof of your mouth or somewhere different in your mouth, and they're gonna put them on the areas that need to be covered up so you don't see those black triangles anymore. Now this is a great option if you want to elevate your bone level or elevate your gum tissue to fill in those black triangle gaps. The third option is my most favorite option, and it is called IPR, or interproximal reduction, or slimming. The reason I love this so much because it is typically done in conjunction with orthodontics. So we take a piece of sandpaper and file in between the teeth to actually create a little bit more space. But as we close those gaps, you have a tendency to reduce those black triangles. Now there's definitely limits to this because you don't want to take off too much tooth structure, but I get to do this almost every single day and the results are amazing. So remember, black triangles happen from either tooth shape or gum and bone loss. And to fix them, you can use dental bonding, you can use a gum graft, or you can do my favorite, IPR. If you had any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.